This is a What's in the Box video for Detective, a modern crime board game. The second of the two big crime board games to come out this year, which is one is Detective and one was Chronicles of Crime. It's a 1 to 5 player game, and it takes 2 to 3 hours, so it's a much more involved game than the Chronicles of Crime. I will say I'm not going to have any spoilers in here. I'm just going to show you what you'll see when you open the box. So we have a crime scene authorized personnel. This is details on how to use this online database. Case book and rules book. So this one just says you have to complete all the cases in order, so I assume you'll follow the cases, and this is how to play the game, which is typical of a Ignacy game, pretty complex. Some punch boards with different characters on it. Locations board, time tracking board. I think this game probably could have benefited by having an app, or I mean maybe an app kind of in the style of Chronicles of Crime. So these are different cases: case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5, bags, and some wooden pieces. So there you have it. That is what's in the box for Detective, a modern crime board game. If you enjoyed this video, please like, please subscribe. Thank you.